Chest relaxed. Beautiful. One more. And out. Shoulders relaxed. One more. And out.
Oh my god.
Legend, that was amazing. I love that lower thoracic. Breathe in again. Chest relaxed. Ooh, look who's moving today. Out. Head drop, relax. Nice, brother. Yeah, and then we're gonna let go. Beautiful. Let it go, man. Chin up a little bit. Let it go. Nice, brother. Breathe in. That was big. Let it go. Chest relaxed, arms relaxed. Wow, that was big.
Yeah.
Shoulders relaxed, let it go. Oh. That's amazing. Breath in again.
Okay.
Movement. Beautiful. Chest relaxed. Beautiful.
Oh.
Wow. Wow, just got it.
Oh my god.
Drop the chest. Beautiful. Posture. Breathing again. She is incredibly strong. She's small but strong. She does handstands, gymnastics, calisthenics type things. And we're going to adjust here. She gets really, really tight. So we're going to do an adjustment here in her mid-back. It's a single hand move. And we're going to have her breathe in nice and deep. Go right ahead. All the way out. And the positioning, the torque, the stance, everything that goes into the adjustment, it's got to be just right to get that release. We're going to take another breath in. All the way out. Shoulders relaxed all the way. Beautiful. So when our ribs are out of alignment, we've got 12 ribs on either side making for 24. And when the ribs are out of alignment, it can feel painful and uncomfortable, and they can subluxate separately, then the spine can go out of alignment. So we're going to breathe in nice and deep. Just fall back gently, back. Sometimes even numbness in their hands or their fingers. And so here what we're going to do is adjust the upper back while she's face down. We're going to breathe in nice and deep. All the way out. Shoulders relaxed. So put it on your tummy there. And what we're going to do is we're going to find an area of your spine that needs to move. So you can let your arms drop down this way actually. And then we're going to put the head up here. Yeah, like that. So we want the chest to rest there. And then is this pressure okay, or do you want a pillow? We have a pillow if you need a pillow.
No, it's okay.
Okay, cool. Now, what we're going to do is start here in the mid-back. And just to show you again what the pressure is like, it's going to be like this. Is that okay on the front?
Yeah.
And out. Chest relax. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
How'd you do there?
I'm good.
Amazing. We're going to have you lay on your side, your right side facing this way over here.
Okay.
So the way we adjust your lower back is on your side.
Uh-huh.
So you can go and lay down there, dear. And then the top leg is going to bend.
Yeah.
The bottom leg goes straight.
Yeah.
Hips relax. I'm going to bring you just like that, close to the edge. And then we're going to hold you here.
I'm scared.
Yeah. So we're going to hold you here just so you don't roll off the table,
Okay.
right? Hips relax. Bring you right there. And then what I'm going to do is contact up here in the lumbar spine, and then I'm going to lean over you.
Okay.
Force comes between our pockets.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So you do have that natural tendency
I
to
know.
push the hips
Yeah,
out, right?
I'm
Okay.
always sticking my bum out.
Breath in, all the way out. Hips relax all the way. Beautiful movement. That was big.
Yeah.
And then breath in again. And out. Drop the hips all the way. Much bigger movement, right?
Yeah.
We're going to adjust your upper back with you standing. So I'm going to put my hands here. Your hands go on top of mine. And interlock your fingers. And then squeeze down. A little bit harder. And then, yep, chest up. Breathe in and fall back. Keep squeezing though. Keep squeezing chest up again. And then fall back to the body.
Ow.
Yeah. Breathe in.
I mean, it did it a little bit.
Yeah, so we got a little bit of movement there, but you see how tight?
Yeah, it just...
Put it right down there. And I'll take all that hair here, like so. Go ahead. Head relax. And this one's a little louder because it's closer to the ears. But it's the same thing. So we're going to breathe in deep and out. Breathe it again. Head relax. Drop here. Wow.
That was the best one.
It was, huh?
Yeah, that was the best one for sure.
All right, so you're all set for today.
Okay.
Now, what happens a lot of times is people feel like the room is brighter. That's how we say the power's on, right? We've got a listing here at L2, and what we're going to do, a lot of times we do lumbar adjustments on your side, but it can be really good if you just get the right angle, the right contact. It's going to get a really big movement. It's going to help the patient a lot. So we're going to breathe in nice and deep, all the way out, chest relaxed.
This is Nicholas Crompton's first adjustment.
I got you.
I think he's gonna be on Team Baby.
I feel great. Come on, man. The body can heal. Your body and your neck doesn't move too well and your upper back's tight. So go ahead and put your palms up, Colton. Big deep breath in. And all the way out. Head relaxed here. Oh. How'd you do?
That felt good.
Awesome. Feel a little more free, right?
A little bit more, yeah. A lot more.
Well, that's a typical response. People tend to move more because they go, wow, it's like you didn't realize all that motion was in there. Yeah, and we're just putting the spine back in alignment. My arm and my elbow and my stance that affect the way we adjust. So with her lower back, we're going to cross the spine, drop the hips all the way.
Oh, yes.
Big movement, big difference.
Yeah.
And big deep breath in and out. Turn your head all the way to the left. And then breathe in again. And out. Head relaxed. Let your right shoulder drop, 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 drop. Beautiful. How'd you do there? We gotta make sure you're aligned and dialed in, bro. Say Mario.
Hello.
Nice, good job. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Dude, you totally won. The guy works out a little bit. Now we're gonna do an adjustment for both his shoulder and his upper ribs. You put the hand on the back of the neck, sir, and then bring your elbow down. Breathe in nice and deep, sir. All the way out. Fall back. Beautiful, sir. Beautiful, beautiful. So when the shoulder's out of alignment, it pulls the upper back, the spine out of alignment, the ribs as well, and we just reset the shoulder and the ribs back into place. So we've been working on Desi's foot here, and she's got some lovely metal in her leg there from an injury. And what we've been doing is correcting the muscular imbalances, and now we're going to adjust her foot. So we're going to adjust this cuneiform is what we call it. And when the foot is stuck, it needs to move. So relax your foot, Des. Perfect. When we get the foot adjusted properly, it facilitates muscle firing and allows... I'm here with Manuelito. This is the son of my very good friend, Senor Manuel. And we're going to adjust his lower back. And when we're adjusting kids' lower back, we don't have to jump on them. They're not so stuck like a lot of us adults. So what we do is we hold here. We're going to gently lean over him like this. And it started moving before we did anything. High five. Nice. Oh, good jobs. Go.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. Oh my God. Oh. Excellent. One more. Shoulders.
You feel so good after.
One more. Chest relax right there. One more. There it is. Breathe in again. Let that go right there. You can feel that tension. Let it go, man. Let it go. Drop, drop, drop. Yeah, man. No reason for that, right? Breathe in. And out. Keep that neck, fluid and flexible like that. Oh my gosh, man. Drop, 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 drop. Nice. Okay.